This viral YouTube niche is absolutely incredible. It pulls in thousands of views every single day, and I know that might sound hard to believe, but today, I'm going to prove it to you. This channel has gained millions of views in just a few months. It's a brilliant example of smart, strategic content creation, and yes, it's completely faceless and powered by free AI tools. When you hear how much this channel earns, you'll be shocked. It's generating thousands of dollars per month, and potentially even more over the year. And the best part? You can do this too without spending a single dollar. Imagine creating simple videos with AI tools, no expensive software, no editors, and no upfront investment. It's real, it's powerful, and it's available to anyone willing to take action. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to get started in this trending niche using 100% free tools. No hidden charges, no trial limitations. Just creativity, smart work, and automation. Let's dive in. Start by going to Canva and clicking on the Docs option. Then select Magic Write. It works like ChatGPT but is completely free, no credits or payment required. Copy the prompt I've provided in the video description, paste it into Magic Write, and watch it generate an amazing script for your video. If you don't like the result, just click More like this, and it will instantly create another. You can also customize prompts easily. Just click the settings icon, type in what you want, like include a cat, and it will adjust the content accordingly. Now let's level up with Blackbox AI. This tool is a game changer. Paste your script or prompt, hit enter, and it will instantly generate high-quality prompts you can use with any image generator. Plus, it works as an image generator itself, completely free and unlimited. No subscriptions. No limits. Why pay for expensive tools when Blackbox gives you professional results for free? Next, you'll need VoiceOver. Head to any free TTS, text-to-speech, website. Just search TTS free on Google and click the first result. Paste in your script, choose a voice, select a language, and click Generate. In seconds, you'll get a natural-sounding voiceover, and again, it's totally free. Most sites allow up to 1,000 words per clip, which is more than enough for most videos. Want music? Go to Pixabay and search for free music tracks. Everything is royalty-free and safe for YouTube. No copyright strikes, no licenses needed. Now it's time for the magic. Open Google and search for Meta AI. Click the first result and log in using your Google account. No credit card, no subscriptions. Paste your prompt from Blackbox or Canva and press enter. You'll see HD quality animated images that look like they came from a professional studio. Want to turn those images into video? Just click animate and boom, in under 10 seconds, you'll have a smooth, beautiful animation from still images. No editing required unless you want to customize. And yes, it's all 100% free. Inside Meta AI, explore advanced settings like style, mood, color, and lighting. Choose from cartoon, 3D, cinematic, and more to match your vision. All features are completely free. So again, why pay for other tools? Now let's bring it all together in CapCut. Drag your voiceover and visuals into a new project. Sync your audio and video, adjust the video speed if needed to match the narration. Add transitions and effects for a polished look. If you have the Pro version, you can also use premium transitions and stylish captions. Once everything looks clean and synced, export your video and it's ready to publish. That's it. You now have everything you need to create professional quality, faceless YouTube videos with zero cost. All the tools I shared, Magic Write, Blackbox AI, TTS, Meta AI, CapCut, are free and beginner-friendly. So what are you waiting for? Start building your channel today and bring your content ideas to life with no budget required. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Your journey to YouTube success starts now. Let's go!